Hello everyone and welcome to Mr. E. Fynn. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the hardest cube in the world, the 1 by 1. Even though the 1 by 1 is the smallest Rubik's Cube, it is also the hardest Rubik's Cube in the world. Now, I did not buy a 1 by 1 because they are way too expensive. Instead, I made a block of wood and I colored it to make a 1 by 1. So now I'm going to teach you how to solve it. Now I'm going to give you a warning. The 1 by 1 is the hardest Rubik's Cube in the world. I recommend solving a 21 by 21 in under 10 seconds before watching this tutorial and trying to solve a 1 by 1. Because if you do not, the 1 by 1 will be very, very hard. Alright, so the first step is we have to scramble this 1 by 1. This is scary. Only I can solve this. Alright, I got it scrambled. Now, the first step to solving it is you have to memorize these insanely long algorithms. The first algorithm is one of the longest algorithms in the world. It goes R1 by 1, U1 by 1, R1 by 1 prime, U1 by 1 prime. And that is the right way to say the notations on the 1 by 1. The other ways on every other 1 by 1 tutorial are wrong. Now, just keep doing that algorithm, R1 by 1, U1 by 1, R1 by 1 prime, U1 by 1 prime, until you get to the yellow and orange. This could take years and years and even centuries just to get to this case. Now, the next move is an even longer algorithm, and it's the algorithm to get it to face from the orange and yellow to the red and black, or the red and white, whichever color your 1 by 1 is. And this algorithm is R1 by 1, L prime 1 by 1. That is an even longer algorithm than the last one. Now for the hardest part of all. And this is the last step to solving the 1 by 1. Now the notations, you do not say them in the same way as you do on a normal Rubik's Cube. On a 3 by 3, you don't go R3 by 3. You just say R, or R prime, L prime, or L. But on the 1 by 1, you have to say 1 by 1, and you have to say the algorithm while you're doing it, or this 1 by 1 will not get solved. It requires your voice to say it, to solve it. Now, for the hardest part in the world, getting it to face the red in the front and the green on the top. This is the longest algorithm in the world, and the algorithm for this is F1 by 1. And that's how you solve the 1 by 1. Thanks for watching.